Okay, so hey guys, I just shot for my other tarot channel. Yes, the reason why I'm making this video is I have a new purchase which I have been wanting to buy from very long time. Yes, so yeah, so I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and show you what exactly is the purchase. Yes, I wanted to buy this from so long, and last year compared to last year, this year price went down. So I just quickly went for the buy. Yes, so I'm gonna show you guys. Yes, so stick along with me. Okay, so I had been wanting to buy this from so long. So finally, I'm gonna show you guys. It's right here. Yes, so I'm gonna just put you guys down so that you can see. Okay, so I have the LG Stand By Me monitor. Yes, the 27 inches monitor. Finally, I purchased it. Oh my god, my studio room is a mess. I need to film all this. I was not here 2 months. Yes, so I have everything and I'm excited because this just came today morning and I had to film it. Yes, so I'm gonna unpack with you guys and show you. Okay, you can see how big it is. I just have my stool. I have been planning to paint my stool from so long. Yes, I think I'm gonna put a small size sheet right there and gonna paint it. So this is the one. You can see you can turn it like 16 by 9 and 9 by 16 like horizontal vertical. Yes, so I'm gonna unpack this with you guys. Yes, so I'm just gonna go and sit there. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna take my scissors. Yes, and we're gonna unpack this. So I am feeling I'm gonna flip this, yeah, so that I don't damage something. My lights are also here. So I think once I open this, actually two people had to carry this, yeah. So I'm gonna be careful. Yes, so this is the one. Oh my god, can you see this? Yes. Okay, because it is too heavy, so what I'm going to do is just sit here. Okay, just sit here and just give this a slice. I think that's best, because I feel like it's too complicated to open from any direction. So I'm just gonna use my filer and just go in a straight line, because anyway I'm just gonna throw the cardboard. Yeah. Even my filer is so small, dude. Yeah, I think that worked. Yes. So I'm gonna give this another slice. So yes, I think this worked. Yes, I'm gonna open it just like that. Oh my god, a couple of cuts should do. This is the only filer I have, sadly. Okay, it's coming. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give here a couple of cuts. I hope you can see. I should have tied my hair, dude. Yeah. Somewhere. Okay. Finally, can you see the welcome? Yes. I think that was yes. Okay, so I think this worked. Yes. So yeah, I can see the welcome. Yes. It was a task, dude, because I'm alone. Yes. So we're gonna open it. Welcome. Oh my god, I can see the stand. Yes, so it's very secure, like it's secured. Yes, I'm gonna flip you guys more so that I can see with much depth. Yes. Okay, so yeah, so I finally kept my hair up because it was very tedious. Yes, so yeah, so I can see. Wait, before I remove this, I'm gonna take you guys off the tripod and show you here so that you get an idea. Yes. Okay, so it came, it came like this. Oh, this part is irritating me. Yeah, let's do one thing. Let's just tear this. Yeah. Okay, so this is the one. It came like this. So you can see the stand. Okay, so I'm yet to figure out where is the monitor. Probably below this. Yes. So yeah, let me just quickly remove this and I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah. Okay, so you have the cable, the charger, and all of that here. And you also have a couple of tools which you can fix. You have the charger right here. Yes. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you what all we have in this. So we have a package right here in this. I'm gonna check what all you have. I feel like it is the we have a remote and we have a I think so this is a clip. When I assemble you're gonna understand. And we have some batteries, yes. And this is the manual and all of that. So I'm gonna keep this to the side. And we also have a charger and we have like a longer charger like the ones you get for your MacBook and all of that. So you have a short charger and a longer charger. Okay. And we have, like I showed you, this is long rod. So this is the one, like it has wheels and all of that. Yes. So I'm gonna remove this. Yeah, so I need to assemble this. I think you can see this is the one. So yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna assemble this off camera and show you guys. Yes, it's gonna take me some time. I'm gonna keep this here. Yes, and I'm gonna lift this. Yes. Oh my god, I have to show you guys. So this is the monitor. I'm gonna take you guys here so that you can have a look. Yes. Okay, so you can see this is how it came. This is the monitor and this is I think the wheels which connect to the lower part of that rod. So this is the monitor. So I'm gonna lift this so that I can show you guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yes. Okay, so this is the wheel. It has 4 wheels. Oh my god, this was very heavy. And this is the screen. So let me just assemble this and I'm gonna show you the final product. Yes. Okay, so I put this below. I'm just gonna put this rod in this. Yes. It's tough to do this one hand.
The sky is falling. The sky is falling.